Hi, Sandy Boxall here again, just with another little bite-sized tutorial looking at some of the specific features of Contract Finder Pro. So today I thought we would look at the main search page. This is probably the most interesting, say the first place most people go. Whatever you're interested in, type it in here. A couple of little tips. If you want something that is more than just one feature, you should put an and in. So in this case I've got digital. If you wanted not just anything digital, you wanted something specific, say you wanted it with cloud, for example, you could put in that. If you put in the and term, it will then return only results that have both of those terms in them. If you leave it blank, it will return terms that have either or, which obviously could be a huge number. It doesn't help you. Also, if you wanted a specific phrase match, say you wanted digital literacy, you would put those in inverted commas like that, then hit search, and it would bring back only those things that have that specific phrase attached and literally exact. A couple of other things you can do up here. You can change the region. We can cover the whole of the UK, also add error. You can take it out. If you are paying for one of the higher cost packages, you could add the Eurozone or UN and a range of other agencies. I'm just going to stick with the UK just for the simplicity. I've done my search and I see that Suffolk County Council have a pin open for digital literacy and a range of other related services. So that's pretty much what I was looking for. So I'll click in and have a closer look, see if it's really what I wanted. You can scroll down, you can see the various bits. You get a contact detail, the procurement person who's published it, and a summary published here. If you wanted to then click through to the full documentation, you could do that. That would be this click here. If, say, you like this one, you can bookmark it to make sure you don't forget it. And you can even set a reminder, or you could email it to a friend who maybe would like to see it, if perhaps it's not one for you. And then on the right, we've got this really nifty feature, which is sort of the equivalent of Amazon's, if you like this kettle, you also might want this toaster. In this case, you've got other things for Suffolk County Council, maybe not that interesting, depends on what your industry focus is. And here you've got related pins for that CPV code. So CPV codes, common procurement vocabulary, everything out there has a 9-digit number associated with it. And these should be a much more specific match for what we're after. So they've assigned the tender here, that specific CPV code. So here it's other things with the same one. Now, there's always a little proviso that if they've written the wrong 9-digit number, you get the wrong results. But most of the time, it works really well. If you then think that that was a really interesting one and this is a good search for you, and you want to see more searches like that, simply click back, go to the main page, click add, and then you've saved the search. You can call it whatever you like. It defaults to the words in the search. You add it, and that is now in your profile. And every morning, 8:45 a.m., we will send you an email with anything new against that category. And you're up and running.